Miss Amanda, you get to tell me a little bit about yourself.
Amanda, I am 45,
Okay.
and I'm a teacher, and this is my 25th year.
Wow.
And so retirement is in the future.
It is,
I'm
definitely.
so excited at the end of the school year if I get to finish out my school year.
You will. You will.
I will.
Very good. Yes.
Yes, so I'm probably off this whole first semester, but next semester we'll figure that out.
Yes.
But anyway, I have breast cancer.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I know it's really hard. How did you figure out about it?
Well, teacher problems, I guess. I've always had cysts, and I found a cyst in the spring and put it off. Said this is probably just another cyst. Teacher
Yeah.
problems I'll deal with in the summer, and summer came and it wasn't a cyst.
So you thought
So-
it was just stress related where...
Just, it felt just like my other cysts I've ever had.
Yes, yeah. Wow.
So
So then you went to the doctor and they just thought, let's go ahead and get this figured out.
went to my doctor and set up ultrasound, mammogram, and then wanted to do a biopsy, and it was breast cancer.
Yeah, that's really hard. I'm sorry. Do you have a husband?
I do.
Okay, sweet. So you got a good support
I do.
system. Yes, that's good. So you've watched us on videos.
I have.
Okay. So we're coming for some hair just to hold us over while yours
Yep.
grows back. What are we thinking as far as hair goes?
Probably something pretty similar to what I've got, I think.
Okay, yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Are you liking the color that you have right now?
Yes.
Okay, a little bit of root to it, just with some more
Well,
blonde.
maybe not so much root.
Okay, yeah.
I probably needed it colored, but then I know it's going to come right out, so
Yes,
I wasn't
ma'am.
going to quite jump into that so far.
Yes. Okay, that's okay. Are we thinking human hair or synthetic?
Thinking human hair.
Okay, human hair is definitely great, especially for the long-term run, where we can get it cut and styled the way you want it. And also you have the opportunity for ponytails, things like that. So I'm going to grab all different ones for
Perfect.
you, and we'll find your hair.
Let's do it.
All right, give me just a few minutes.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep, let's do it.
All right, this is Holly.
Okay.
So Holly's just going to be a little bit more blonde throughout there with no type of root to her.
Okay.
She's a little bit darker than your cool tone blonde.
Okay.
Of course, not your shape or style right now,
That's okay.
but we'll get that all changed for you.
And this is human hair.
This is, yes, ma'am.
It feels good.
Yes, yes. We can curl, straighten her, anything like that.
And what length is this?
This is a 16
Okay.
inch. But of course, if you're
Right.
feeling too long, we'll go shorter too.
Okay. Having to check in with the 17-year-old.
That is
because
okay, yeah.
Nobody,
If we need a FaceTime or two, we totally
nobody
can.
is as honest with you in the entire world.
There you go.
As
She'll
your
tell you
teenage daughter.
exactly how it is.
Yes.
How do you feel about
Okay.
her?
I think the color's pretty good. What do you think of the color?
I'm used to it being a little darker at the roots, but
Okay.
the
Yeah.
overall color
Yeah.
is good.
I had my first treatment last Friday, so
How did it go?
it was fine. I mean,
Good?
I've not
Okay.
been sick at all.
Oh, that's huge.
Have
blessing.
no idea.
Have you noticed any thinning yet?
No, not
no.
yet.
Okay. Hey, well,
So,
there you go. That is even
I
better.
mean, my head's tingly, so like, I
Yes.
feel like it's coming.
Mhm.
But I don't know.
But you feel
We'll
good.
see.
But hey, as long as you
Right.
didn't have any bad
Yes.
reactions.
He said if you were going to have them, it would be the first one.
Yes.
He said, I think
Yes.
you're going to be good.
Good, good, good.
Ooh,
This is called Sierra.
Sierra. I like this color better. I think.
Okay. So you're leaning more towards that cool tone.
I think so.
Perfect. That's good
I mean,
to know.
when I normally have my roots done, like
Yeah.
I'm very blonde, not a white blonde, but
Yes,
just
ma'am.
blonde one.
Just a lot brighter
Yes.
throughout there. Perfect. This is Krista. So
Okay.
she's going to be a little bit more of
Okay.
that brighter, but still has a tiny bit of a root to her.
Okay.
They're both very pretty, for
Yes.
sure.
I think they're really similar.
Very similar.
Let's see. And I don't even care about the length. That
You're
doesn't matter,
good.
but
This one has a little bit more of a strawberry blonde color to her, too.
I think I like this one a little bit better.
Liking that one better?
Okay. I think so.
But this is Carly. So she's going to be a darker root that you have right now.
Okay. That is cute.
Mm-hmm. This is Beth.
Okay.
Beth. For Amanda Beth.
Oh, is your middle name
It
Beth? Oh, sweet.
Okay, I like this.
Not far from the way.
No, like this
Yours
is
is usually
this is
very
pretty
similar
like
to
this
yours.
is really close.
Yes. Let me
I
grab
like
a little
this
bit of a
one.
darker root
Okay.
for you. This is Libby.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So she's got a little bit darker of the root, but not as dark as Carly.
Right.
She pulls more of the gold tones.
Yes. I mean, that's pretty cute.
Mm-hmm.
The holly. Yeah, this is the one daughter likes.
Okay, perfect.
I mean, and that one's pretty close too.
Mhm.
They're all so similar.
They
I don't
are.
feel like you could go wrong any way.
No, not at all.
That's pretty good.
All right, got a question. Do you dig the wig?
I dig the wigs.
All righty.